Hello students, I am Bharati Shinde, working as a lecturer in Praveen Patil Polytechnic College. In previous videos, we have seen projection of straight lines. Now we will see projection of planes. So plane is a two-dimensional object having length and width. And the thickness of plane is negligible. That is, we will consider plane as a thin sheet or paper. So we will study various plane figures like square, pentagon, hexagon, circle, triangle or rectangle. So we will see first case, that is plane perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Plane perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Now this is VP and this is HP. So we will draw a plane which is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Now take vertical line . So this is the plane which is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Now for front view, we will see from this. So this is the direction for front view. And for top view, we will see from top. So this is the direction for top view. Now when we see from this direction front view, so it will look like same. Now take parallel line from this also. Like this. So this is the front view. Suppose we will give name to this plane as A, B, C and D. So this is A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. And for top view, take projection. When we will see from top, so this plane will appear as a line. So top view is a line. So this is top view. Here A dash, D dash points and B dash, C dash points. So this is front view and top view. Now we will draw separately front view and top view. So for this, draw horizontal line X, Y, and here we will draw rectangle here. And for top view, we will take projection. So this is front view and this is top view. Here A dash, D dash, B dash, C dash. And here A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. This is VP and this is HP. So front view and top view will look like this. So this is the first case where plane is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Now we will see second case where plane is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. So we will draw a plane. First of all, give name VP and here HP. So draw a plane which is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. Like this. You can draw extra line. Give name A, B, C and D. Now this is the direction for front view, and for top view observer will look from top. So when we will see from this direction for front view, only a line will appear. So front view will be a line. Here point A dash, B dash and C dash, D dash. This is front view. And when we will see from top, plane appear as it is. Now draw as it is. Like this. So this is top view. Give dimension B, A, D and C, upper point C. And this is X, Y intersection line. Here also you can give name X, Y. This is the second case where plane perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Now we have drawn front view and top view. We will draw it in 2D presentation. So first of all, draw XY line this is VP and this is HP. Now as we know, front view will appear like a line and top view is a rectangle. So for this, draw only a line in front view and rectangle in top view. So this is top view and this is front view. Here point A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Here A, B, C and D. So this is the second case. Now we will see third case, when plane perpendicular to both HP and VP. Both HP and VP. For this, draw a plane which is perpendicular to both HP and VP. So this is the plane which is perpendicular to both. Give name VP, HP. So this is the direction for front view and this is the direction for top view. Give name X and Y. So when you see from this direction, so this is okay. So when you see from this direction, only a line will appear. So draw a line for front view. And when we see from top, then also only a single line will appear. So here front view and top view both are straight lines. For this condition where plane perpendicular to both HP and VP, front view and top view both are straight lines. This is top view and this is front view. Give name to plane A, B, C and D. So here A dash, B dash and here C dash, D dash for front view. And for top view, give name B dash, C dash and here A dash, D dash. Sorry, this is top view, so we will not give dash. So A, D and B, C, not dash. Now this is the representation of front view and top view in 3D. Now we will draw it in 2D. So for this, draw a straight line, XY line. So this is XY line. And as we know, front view and top view both are vertical. Both are straight vertical lines. So draw, then take its projection. So this is CD. Sorry, BC. Here top view. So top view naming BC and AD. So BC and AD, and front view A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. This is front view, this is top view, this is vertical plane, and this is horizontal plane. So in this way we can draw front view and top view when plane perpendicular to both HP and VP. Now we will study next condition when plane perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP. Plane perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP. Fourth condition. This is third condition, and this is first condition when plane perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. This is second condition, plane perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Now we will see plane perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP. So draw plane. So for this, first of all, so we have to draw plane which is inclined to HP. So like this. And perpendicular to VP. So draw a plane like this. Rough extra portion. Give name to this plane as A, B, C and D. So this is the inclination angle theta. Now this is the direction for front view. So when we see from this direction, then only an inclined line will appear in front view. And when we will see from top, so this is the direction for top view. Then a rectangle will appear in top view. First we will draw front view, which is a line so this is front view. Give name A dash, B dash and C dash, D dash. This is VP and this is HP. Give name to line as X, Y. Now we will draw top view. For this, first take projections of all the 4 points and join. Top view will be less than this true shape. So draw top view. Extend projection from D. We have to draw this line up to A. So rough erase extra portion and now draw remaining line from this point, that is from a line which is coming from A. So like this. So this is the top view. Give name B. This is C, D, and this is A. Now we can draw in 2D. So this is XY line. As we know, front view is the here is the inclined straight line. So this is the inclination angle theta. So draw a line which is inclined. Like this. This is points A dash, B dash and C dash, D dash. Now take projections and top view is a rectangle. So in top view draw a rectangle. Give name A, B, C and D. This is top view, this is front view, this is VP and this is HP. And give this inclination angle theta. So remember, when plane is perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP, then there is an inclined line of front view in VP and in HP there is a rectangle, that is top view. Now we will see next condition. When plane is perpendicular to HP and inclined to VP. So plane is perpendicular, fifth point, perpendicular to HP and inclined to VP. Now draw a plane which is inclined to VP and perpendicular to So perpendicular to HP means we can draw a vertical line of plane, and inclined to VP we can draw a horizontal line. This is the plane which is perpendicular to HP and inclined to VP. So give name, suppose A, B, C and D. Now when we will see from this direction for front view and from this direction for top view. Then when we will see from this direction for front view, then rectangle will appear, and when we will see from top, then there is a straight line. So first of all we will draw front view. So when you see from this direction, there is a plane which is not similar as the original plane. Give name to this intersection line as line XY. This is VP and this is HP. So inclined plane will appear. So we will draw the plane which is inclined. Like this. Now draw a plane. Now take projections from A and B also. And now draw like this. So we have to join C and B. So like this. Now draw line up to the projection from A up to projection from A. So up to this. So this is front view. Give name D dash. This is A dash, B dash and C dash. And for top view, take projections from plane, and top view is a straight line. So this is top view having points A dash, B dash and C dash D dash. So when plane is perpendicular to HP and inclined to VP, then in this condition front view will look like as a rectangle and top view is a straight line. Sorry, top view is a inclined line. Top view is a inclined line which is inclined to the vertical plane. As we can show the inclination angle also. This is the angle theta. So this is the inclination angle. Now draw front view and top view in 2D. This is XY line. This is VP and this is HP. Now as we know front view is a rectangle. So in front view draw a rectangle. And take projection of this rectangle below. So this is front view having dimensions A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. Here for top view there is no dash. We can give original names, that is AB and CD. So we have completed front view. Now for drawing top view, which is an inclined line, I will take any inclination angle. So for this I will draw a line, horizontal line, and then this is the line having inclination angle theta. Give name to this line as CD and AB. And this is top view. So in this way you can draw front view, top view to any plane which is given. Thank you.